I already had some nails on my wall from a painting I had hung here. So I'm going to just use those and I can hang my driftwood from that. I'm going to place the slip knot in my twine that I'm using to hold up my driftwood. So by bringing up tail end, it's crossing on the top here, and then this tail is going to come through the hole, like so. So when you pull these two together now, this end and this end, there's your knot in the middle. And you can see that by pulling this, it slips. So I'll just attach this end. And because that's a slip knot, I can just pull on it and it's now attached. Thanks for watching. If you would like to watch more macrame tutorials, just click here. And if you'd like to watch a wide variety of more arts and crafts, then subscribe to my Crafty Patty channel by clicking here. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.